Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mon and these are my two whippets, Mars and Zara, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. Now last week I was at IKEA and I got so much new stuff, so today we're doing a haul. I really hope you like this new setup. If you do, please comment in the section down below and we'll do a change up for the regular videos too. I think I love this setup since you're looking at my living room and both Mars and Zara are a bit newer to me, so let me know in the comment section. Also, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so if you like IKEA, then you'd like to stay tuned. Now let's start with the haul right away, since we have so much to go through. First things first, I want to go through the big stuff. First thing, I think you already saw this. Ta-da! I got this lamp. This one's not for me actually. This one's for my friend Lena. She's actually renovating at her home. So we got this light for her dining table and I honestly think this is just such a nice light. Let me open it up for you. I like this lamp, let me tell you. I love this lamp. This lamp has such a nice onion shape. So yeah, this is just a really nice light for over a dining table. You get it along with this, and this is such a nice color. It's like a creamy color and I really like it. Especially for dining table, this is just the best choice I think. So Lena, you made an excellent choice. Moving on to the next item I got, and that is this duvet. Actually, my husband saw this and he said we should get this for the van. This is some sort of cooling duvet. It's actually great for summer and it's so thin and so soft. I'll open it right away. They have packed it so nicely. So yeah, this one's just really thin, but the fabric should be cooling and it's really soft. It's mainly made out of cotton also. I can't wait to use it and just let you know how this works. I'm hoping it works since the van tends to get so hot in the summer days. So we hope this duvet will keep us cool. It seems like a nice quality. Now next thing I got was this soap dispenser. I was searching for this soap dispenser for such a long time. I mean, this one is just so nice. I mean, look at this here. It's really a nice one. And I really like this since it's glass. All of the soap dispensers I have in my home are made out of plastic. So this one's from glass. If it works, I will be getting a few of these. So yeah, this is such a nice product. Another one for the toilet. It's actually this one. This is just the cheapest little toilet brush and I just like this a lot since I have one that's metal and honestly it's all corroded, so I guess it won't be happening with this one since it's plastic. So another thing I got were these veggie cutters. These are just come in a pack of 3 and can cut the veggies in 3 different ways, let's say. I'll open this up in just a second. So this thing comes in a pack of 3 and it has this little like holder, and here's the first one, here's the second one, and the third one in squares. I think this will be so handy for cutting things for later now. Also, the fact that it just goes in this little holder is just everything. Now the next thing I got was this dish brush. I have been using the black dish brushes from IKEA that are this same shape, but this color combo was just so nice to me. I really like it. So I decided to go for this one. I mean, this works so well and I've been using it for many years. So also another brush I got. I mean, this is a softer one. I really like this. I will be trying it out and let you know if it works. Now, speaking of cleaning, I got a few things for cleaning. So the first one is this spray bottle. I have been ordering spray bottles from Amazon and they just don't work. This thing just keeps not working after a while. And I've been told that this IKEA one will work way better. So I will try it and let you know. And also, I got this squeegee. This one's really nice. It works. I don't really like this colors combo, but it just works. So now moving on to a few things we got for our baby Leto. We want to do like a Montessori styled room for him since he's already turning 1 in less than 3 months, like in 2 months and a half. And we really wanted to do like this style of room where he can just wake up and roam around the room. Just everything is baby proof and he has his own shelves that are just his height, so he can just grab things. And the first thing we got was this shelf. Actually, I went ahead and just did this shelf off camera so that you can see it. And this is just such a quality shelf. I mean, quality, this is just quality wood and it's so good for his books and stuff like that. I have his books here. This will look so good like styled on this shelf. So yeah, I really like this one and I was thinking of getting 2, but we'll see. We'll start with 1. Also, another thing I got was this shelf. I also went ahead and just made this off camera. So this shelf here is just the best shelf if you want to do a Montessori style bedroom for your kid. This is really like a budget product and it's wood, which I really like. This one is made for hanging it to the wall, but I think we'll just leave it flush on the floor, but we will attach it so it's safe for him. We'll attach it to the wall. Such a nice shelf. And also I got these boxes that actually are meant to go, these are meant to go here. So these were really budget. I was not sure if I'm going to need this, but I decided to get 2 just in case. And if I don't use them over here, I will use them in any other shelf of his closet. And these are really just plastic. There were metal ones. The reason I didn't get the metal ones were because they were see-through. So yeah. Also guys, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell since you don't want to miss the video where I do his room. And also, if you haven't seen the nursery makeover, guys, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and see the nursery makeover. So another cute little thing I got for him were these car toys. I mean, we don't buy him many toys. We tend to be so mindful when it comes to getting him toys. These were made for wood, so here's the first one and the second one. And guys, believe it or not, this is his first set of cars. He doesn't have any yet. Another thing we got for him was this little monkey guy. We actually, if you have watched my last haul, you probably know that we got the big version of this monkey. So I thought it was so nice to get like a baby for his monkey. I think this guy was just so cute. Also, it was so funny when we went at IKEA and he just spotted the monkey. We call him Cousin Louis from Jungle Boy. And just he spotted the monkey and was like so excited when he saw it. Like, anyway guys, another thing I got was this mirror. This is actually a flexible mirror, but it's child friendly. So it's actually, it has this foil and it's actually just child friendly mirror, and I will be hanging this in his room also. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. Now, a thing I got, I have no idea exists, is this little thing. I mean, I already opened it. I will show you how it looks. This guy comes in a pack of 2 and is actually a pourer. So you just pop it on a bottle and you can pour from it and you can close it. And I love this so much since it, did I mention it comes in a pack of 2 for like $3-4. This is actually such a nice thing for your oils and vinegars. I really like collecting bottles, cool bottles of wine, even from olive oil, and to be able to make them just like this and just like oil and vinegar dedicated bottles is just so nice. So yeah. Now another thing are these like really cheap quality slippers. These are actually my husband's buy. These are actually really cheap and low quality, but my husband just likes them a lot, so he got another pair. Now we also got this like shoe helper, I don't know. This is just so big and it's made out of plastic and it's one of those things you use every day. So also another thing is this foam maker. We got this one for camping. It's really nice to have, nice thing to have. We'll see if it works actually. I also got from IKEA these things, like baby proof for plugs, which are so nice. We'll be adding these in Leto's room to baby proof it and anywhere around the home where we haven't had a chance to add these. Another thing I always get at IKEA, so please don't judge me, I know you know this, but is this milk. 1, 2, and 4. I mean, this is the best milk for coffee if you are a plant-based milk lover. So if you have this in your IKEA, you have to try it out. It's really, really the best milk I've tried. Really tastes amazing in a coffee. Another thing I got was also this. This is just so nice. It's made out of silicone and I have one and I'm using it every day, and I really needed one more so that I can grab like bigger things with both hands and not burn myself. Oh, another thing I think I mentioned last time is that I get my press coffee, French press coffee from IKEA. So we got 2 of these. IKEA coffee just tastes good. We really like it. Another thing for Leto is this bee. I think the dogs think this is for them, so we'll see. And another thing is this thing here for Scotties. We have the Scotties pegboard in our garage and we just needed a basic set, and this one's made out of metal and I really like it. So we'll be organizing our tools inside this one. And probably the last things I got was 2 of these. These are like made for keeping your shoes, but I use these for so many things, for storing so many things. One thing, the zippers on these break easily, so I don't know if these are the most quality things you can buy, but I use them a lot. So, and also I got 2 of these, the bigger ones. These are actually made for keeping your duvets and pillows and stuff like that, organizing in your closet or in your garage. So it's really a nice thing to have. And I got 2 of these. I also got this charger, this phone charger. I always get my chargers at IKEA. I mean, this is Type C to Type C. I really like them, just a basic charger. And the last thing I got is this thing. I don't know if you have seen these guys, but this is actually, let me see if I can unpack this. So these are like supposed to be for your fingers. My husband got these for Leto. And we have the IKEA hand, and I can't wait to arrange this on the hand. Oh, they also have a panda. Leto loves pandas. There is one for every finger. This is a set of 10. I think we'll lose this, but we'll see. We'll see. Martha and Zara get triggered so much on lettuce toys. So anyways, guys, that was the haul. I really hope you liked the things I got. Also, while I was at IKEA, I filmed a lot. There were these new finds I haven't seen and some I have seen only online. So next week, the video that's coming up next week will be that one. So make sure to stay tuned. Also, can we just praise these two? I mean, how cute are these? And I really like that they're close to me. Let me know, guys, if you like this setup. I prefer on sitting like upright. It's not that comfortable on the floor. But if you like this setup, I will do it. I will keep doing it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and for sticking with me to the very end, and for being here each week. Just thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And Leto is still sleeping, so I will be having a coffee while he's still asleep. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!